This is how I do my magic circles. It just seems to be what works best for me. Everybody will have their own kind of like little special way of doing it, but this is how I do mine. So I just take the yarn and I grab it with my left hand, and then I take my two fingers and I wrap it around my two fingers, come up and around, and then I go around this way and I make a little X. You see that X right in there? Now I'm going to take my hook. This is a 4.5 millimeter hook. It depends on it doesn't matter which hook size you're using, but the concept is always still the same. So you're going to take this hook and you're going to go under that side. And then you're going to twist a little bit and grab that side of your X, twist it and pull it up. Now you see it's got a loop, right? Now this is your yarn here that you're going to be working from. Now you're going to yarn over and pull it through, just like that. So that makes your first stitch. You see that? Then let's say we're starting with 6 single crochets into your magic circle. So then you're going to go under these two. This is part of your loop right here, right? You're going to go under, grab that again, yarn over, come up this side, yarn over, and pull through your 2 loops. That's 1. You see that? 1 stitch right there. Do it again, under, and you got 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Now that's 2. You can see 1, 2. Do it again, yarn under, pull through both loops. Now we have 1, 2, 3. Go under the yarn again, grab your yarn, pull through those 2 loops. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now for the 5th one, single crochet, pull through the 2 loops, and finally yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, and there we go. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets on your magic circle. So then what you want to do is you just take this little tail, you see that? Little tail, and pinch with your fingers right here. Okay, and pull it. There we go. And there we've got your magic circle. And that's it. And there's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches. Now when you start your next row, the one thing to remember, sometimes you might accidentally start crocheting into the tail. So make sure your tail is... Oh, accidents. Make sure your tail is tucked under. Okay. And then sometimes you can kind of confuse this little bump here with being your first stitch. No, not so. Don't worry about that one. You want to go single crochet right through there and pull through. Yarn over, pull through. Anyway, that is a simple, without knocking your camera over, a simple way to do a 6 crochet, single crochet through your magic ring. I'm going to show you one more time without knocking my camera over. Just the magic ring. Grab your yarn, over, make an X, right? Under that first one, grab that one from the top, pull it over, twist it up, grab that yarn, pull it through that one loop, and that's how it starts. That is it. From there you can do as many single crochets or double crochets or whatever your pattern is calling for around this magic circle. And then when you get to the end, you just simply pinch the project really tight and then pull until it's nice and tight and makes a circle. Awesome. Thank you.